today's video, we're going to be trying out and testing out and also reviewing this particular product that I actually haven't tried, which is from Revlon Volcanic Stone Facial Roller. Going to replace me using a blotting paper. In that way, it's actually going to save you money and also going to help you save the environment. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle. My passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. So if you guys wanted to join me to see if this product here is actually worth getting or not, in that way you'll be able to save money and save the environment as well, please keep on watching. I purchased this from Amazon Australia, and it's actually retail for $14.96, and this is a real volcanic stone, and it's actually instantly absorbs excess oil on the skin. It's reusable and easy to wash. It really come in a like a plastic lid, and this is actually the actual roller. Is this going to be an alternative for a blotting paper? So we're gonna go and find that, guys. I've actually had this foundation now for over 9 hour wear, guys, so we're gonna go and test this out to find out to see if this actually works. I'm gonna go and start on this area here so we can actually see the difference. Noise when you're rolling it. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've actually put a powder. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. What it says is an oil absorption, so it does absorb all the oils. Really easy to use, so amazing. Look at that. See, this is this side here. I've actually used the roller, and this side here I actually haven't. Actually looking matte again, guys, compared from this side. Showing with you now how I've actually washed this roller, guys, and to find out, see how easy it is to clean it. Especially if you got a combination to oily skin, I highly recommend it for you guys to try this. If you haven't, this is actually a must to have, guys, and actually saving you money in keep repurchasing those blotting papers. And secondly, you're actually also going to save the environment, and this is actually reusable and rewashable. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually did help you out today. And please comment down below, guys, if you used this particular product before, and please let me know what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.